Okay, so how are you today?
We're fine.
Okay, so it's Bia. You seem so silent today. How are you? Okay, so you're sleepy, so do you want to wake up? So do you want to jump 3 times? Can you please jump 3 times for us? 1, 2, 3. Okay? Okay, thank you. Yeah, now, Bridget, you seem so very motivated today. Okay, so can you so before?
Thanks to the teacher when she
In our board.
cookies.
Okay, so now this is our cookie complement. Now each group have a 5 cookie. Now if I will see anyone didn't follow about the classroom rule, I will remove 1 cookie and transfer it to the another group. So is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, so now what topic did we discuss in last meeting? Okay, Angela.
So our topic yesterday was all about two syllable words with short vowel sound.
Okay, so can you give an example of 2 short words?
Basket and laptop picture.
Okay, thank you, Angela. You may take your seats now. So now, class, I have prepared here a video presentation. So I want you all to listen attentively because afterwards I will be asking some questions. What did you observe? Okay, so in the video, it talks about the 2 girls. So the other one is fluent and reading, and the other is correct. Okay na, can already?
Read aloud from familiar prose and poetry consisting of a long
These are objectives. So objective A,
identify and articulate vowel sound and context. Discuss the importance of reading fluently in everyday lives and demonstrate fluent reading of selected prose and poetry.
okay, now class. So I have prepared here a different types of pictures that contain long vowels. So I want you to pick the pictures that contain long vowels and use it in a sentence. So the first one will be Lorry Bird. I want you to pick pictures that contain long vowels and use it in a sentence. Pick a picture and present it to your question. You ask pictures. Yes. Get a picture. Okay, use it in a sentence.
So I ride a bike yesterday.
Okay, that is correct. You're correct. So can we all give Loribert a 3 clap?
I ride a bike yesterday. Is that correct? Yesterday.
Crystal. Now can we all give Crystal a 2 claps? Dina.
My mother cooked me a cake yesterday.
Okay, thank you, Tina. Now can we all give Tina a good job clap? And then written and intonation. But before that, I will perform it, and afterwards, you will get to perform it. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, now, so It performs like this. I am a tree and stand so tall. I have great big branches and little branches small. Now when the wind goes left and when the wind goes right, I keep my branches strong with all of my might. Now I am a tree and stand so tall. I have great big branches and little branches small. Now bees can build a hive, birds can build a nest. I make my branches strong. I always try my best. Now I am a tree and I stand so tall. I have great big branches and little branches small. Now the rain makes me strong and the snow makes me bright. I go through all the seasons, all day and all night. I am a tree and I stand so tall. I have great big branches and little branches small. Now the earth loves me and I love the earth. I am a tree and I stand so tall because I am a tree. Now, thank you for that class, but still we will get to perform that. So group 1, can we all stand up?